Wear the future. Prettier, smarter, stronger, timeless, classic, beyond limits. It's the watch you want. Presenting the Kospet Tank S1 for all the prettier, smarter, and stronger inside of you. And the Kospet Tank T2 for the timeless, classic, going beyond limits. Welcome to Enoylity Technology. We bring you the latest tech reviews happening across. Before moving ahead, do subscribe and ring the bell icon to stay updated. Looking at the Kospet Tank S1, this 15 US MIL STD 810H certification watch comes in a pretty pink color, having matching straps with it, a user manual, and a charging cable. Both the watches are tested to the highest military standard of toughness, MIL STD 810H. Kospet Tank S1 is as robust as it is dynamic, enduring the rigors of some of the most demanding environments, ranging from majestic mountains to expansive deserts. As the first ever outdoor smartwatch designed specifically for women, Kospet Tank S1 is made from 6 XXX series aerospace-grade alloy and 316L stainless steel, making the smartwatch slimmer and more resilient. With 45mm and 48G in diameter and weight respectively, Kospet Tank S1 is exceedingly easy and light to wear on so many levels. Kospet Tank S1 harnesses the Corning Gorilla Glass 3 that is more durable even prior to chemical strengthening and has proven more resistant to damage, and 4 times more scratch resistant than aluminosilicate glasses from other manufacturers. Kospet Tank S1 and Tank T2 make a reliable companion for your underwater adventures, as the smartwatch comes with 5 atmospheres of pressure and IP69K ratings for water resistance, which enables it to withstand pressures equivalent to a depth of 50 meters. Tank S1 comes with a 1.3-inch always-on AMOLED display, framed to perfection by a circular bezel. Kospet Tank S1 delivers a more colorful and clearer viewing experience by displaying everything with rich contrast and sharp details. Kospet Tank S1 and Tank T2 assist you to enjoy every workout to your heart's content, thanks to its presets for 70 sports modes, which include trendy workouts in particular, such as yoga, HIIT workouts, kickboxing, and cardio exercises. Bluetooth calling of both watches can be enabled simply with a switch, so that you won't miss any important phone calls, text messages, or notifications, even when you are occupied with work or in the middle of a workout session. Both of the watches track your nightly sleep through major stages of sleep, including light sleep, deep sleep, and rapid eye movement or REM cycles, so as to present comprehensive insights into your sleep quality. Kospet Tank S1 monitors your heart rate and blood oxygen on a 24/7 basis. Kospet Tank S1, which can be fully charged within 2 hours, allows you to wear it for days on end before another charging boost, or 2 to 3 days in AOD mode, 8 to 12 days for daily use, or as long as 50 days in standby mode. Kospet Tank S1 showcases style that speaks to your charisma from the wrist, whether during a workout or commute to work. Kospet Tank S1 is available in 4 captivating colors: Sprout Green, Moonlight White, Sakura Pink, and Space Black. The Kospet Tank T2 is a timeless classic which sets you beyond limits. Having the same US MIL STD 810H, this special edition comes with a metal strap, giving you a classic look and feel, whether you are working out or commuting to work. In this special edition box, you also get a rubber strap in case you want to swap. Along with this, you also get a watch link remover, tempered glass, magnetic charging base, and a user manual for your help. The body of Tank T2 is built out of high-strength metal, which not only makes it appear cool and tough, but renders its resistance to vibration, drop, and car crushing. This watch also features IP69K dynamic waterproof and static waterproof, up to 50 meters. Tank T2 harvests the latest Realtek single-chip processor 876EW with dual-mode Bluetooth. Go explore the vast world with 70 sports modes. Tank T2 adopts a double-mode, single-chip processor to minimize power consumption. Enabled by our extraordinary software algorithms, the smartwatch ensures long-lasting battery life, 50+ days standby time, and 10 to 15 days of daily usage. So this was everything about the video. If you found this video helpful, do hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and give your reviews in the comments down below. This is Enoylity Technology, and we will see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.